Hello my lovely people, welcome to Thamani Delicacy. So today we have our prawns. I've marinated my prawns or shrimp with salt, black pepper, paprika, turmeric powder, chili flakes and some lime. I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes, then we're going to start cooking it. Hello my lovely people, so we are preparing plantain with prawns, as you can see. So now let me cut my plantain. I wash them, then I cut them. So I've cut my plantain, not all of them, but that's the way they are. So guys, as you can see, my people, I've cut my plantain, I've cut my plantain, so let's fry them. So my oil is getting ready, guys. My oil is getting ready. As my oil is getting ready, let's chat a little bit. So this is Thamani Delicacy. Let me reintroduce the video. This is Thamani Delicacy, your home of healthy recipes. I try my best to cook healthy recipes and the easiest way. So today we are having plantain and prawns. It's a healthy recipe. It's a good meal. It's a good quality meal. So let's get into it. So let's start to fry our I think I can fry them all here. Let me just leave space for some. So our plantain are almost ready. So guys, our ready. Now let me keep the second round of our plantain. I think some of them are like the ones that are these ones. I don't know if this is bad or what, because this is my first time to cook plantain, by the way, guys. It's my first time. I usually cook some banana. I don't know, they are here, the color is like plantain. They taste, I think, but they are short bananas. If you check my videos, they are there. Because I live in the coastal side of Kenya. They are in Kiswahili, they are called boko boko. I don't know what they are called in English. They are yellow short ones. We cook it exactly like this. In the coastal side, the Swahili people, they usually cook it with coconut, they fry it. They have a very, very interesting way of cooking. I like the coastal food because I was born and raised in the coast, but I'm not originally from the coast, but I came to adapt and I love the food. So this is my plantain recipe, guys. Tell me what you think. So guys, that is our prawns. I've added some flour. So this is the way I usually do it. Then we go to fry them. Some wheat flour. Getting ready. I will soon turn them. Sorry guys. So guys, our prawns plantains are ready. So this is a meal that you can have for dinner or for lunch or when you have guests. Please subscribe, like and share. Tell me what you think about this video. So guys, this is another beautiful tasty delicious recipe. We have our plantain and then we have our prawns. So this is a plantain prawns recipe that you can cook. It's a very simple and very quick recipe. So that's our recipe for the day.